How to buy Kindle books on Amazon. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy Kindle books on your Amazon. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser. After you open it up, simply head over to Amazon. After you're on Amazon, make sure that you sign in into your account. After you've done that, tap on the three icons, that is the three lines icon on the top left corner. And after you're there, scroll down. Now under top departments, you can tap on see all to expand this. After you expand this, scroll down till you find Kindle. Tap on Kindle, and here you should find an option called Kindle Books. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will see the list of books here. Now you can search for the books that you like. After you find the book that you like, simply tap on the book. And after you tap on the book, you can simply head over down below, choose your version, and then tap on buy now. After you go through the buying process, what will happen is your book will automatically appear in your Kindle library. And it's basically that simple. And that is all for the video too, guys. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and bye bye. Take care.